Finally, OnePlus' next flagship is few weeks behind the launch. Does it have anything interesting compared to the launch of 5T, which was launched just 3 months behind? Okay, let's just focus on the things what's rumored and what we expect in the upcoming OnePlus 6. So before that, this is Ram and welcome back to Tech for Doom. So let's get right into it. Starting with the display, the notch. As always, like other Chinese vendors, it is speculated that OnePlus 2 doesn't stop copying from the Fruit phone. Yeah, obviously the iPhone 10. Personally, I don't have any problem with the notch, but I really hate the cut while watching videos. Let's hope OnePlus comes out with a solution for this. Additionally, a separate leak states that the device will have an aspect ratio of 19:9 instead of the 18:9 display present on the 5T. Well, it means that OnePlus 6 could feature a resolution of 2280x1080p instead of 2160x1080, resulting in a slightly taller display than the 5T with optic AMOLED display. And talking about the internals, it's obvious that like S9 and S9 Plus, it is sporting the new Snapdragon 845, and it's believed that it will be sporting the 6GB and 8GB of RAM. I think 8GB of RAM is still a overkill, but we wish it should get LPDDR5 memory. The 6GB variant should get combined with 64GB of internals, and what's rumored here is the 8GB variant should come with 256GB of internals, and I accept this because the S9 and S9 Plus comes with 256GB of internals, and basically OnePlus doesn't stand back with the internal specifications at least. Well, moving to the cameras, unlike the 5T, we are hoping to see 2x optical zoom feature to return back in the OnePlus 6. Since the phone will feature a dual camera with 16+20MP, you will also get a portrait mode features as usual. But with previous track records, OnePlus isn't great for its camera, so I don't think the quality will be on par with the S9 Plus at least. Well, the other features expected are, hopefully, it could be the very few flagship devices which retains the headphone jack. And yeah, one thing forgot to mention from the renders, it is clear that it can be sported a shiny glass to the back, so hopefully wireless charging can be there. But what I expect here is the wireless charging with the dash charging capabilities. Cool, isn't? Fingers crossed, let's see. And once again, like 5T, it is rumored to get IP certification. That means it should be water and dust resistant. Let's see what it gets. Seriously, I couldn't predict anything on this, so please allow us to take some amazing shots under the water. And we don't think OnePlus will be involving in under the display fingerprint scanners, at least as of now. Talking about the release date and pricing, we expect that it should be releasing early May or at the end of the April. But as of now, no official dates from the Calpai. They didn't made any statements about the OnePlus 6. So as of now, it's not going to be launched until or at least April 1st week. And we expect that it should be priced the same as OnePlus 5T, since Asus Zenfone 5Z was aggressively priced. So these were the expectations we have on OnePlus 6. Do let us know what do you expect. And guys, this is the third time I am shooting this video, so nothing could do much about it. And if you do like this video, hit subs and do like and comment for more tech stuff. Until then, this is Ram and I am signing off. Have a great day.